How to add email on Trust Wallet. Trust Wallet does not require or use email addresses for its core wallet functions. So by adding a wallet to your Trust Wallet instead, you can install and open Trust Wallet. So download the Trust Wallet app from the App Store or Google Play Store and then open it. Then create or import a new wallet for an existing one. And then importing an existing wallet, you can do by adding existing wallet and then choose the type of wallet. Or you can enter the recovery place, where you can input your recovery place, also known as a seed place or secret place, associated with the wallet you want to import. And lastly, you can confirm and access. So follow the prompts to confirm and access your imported wallet within the Trust Wallet. So you cannot add your email on Trust Wallet, but you can do these steps. So it's really simple. It's a much better option than adding a wallet or your email wallet. And here's an important security notes. Never share your recovery place with anyone. And while Trust Wallet does not ask for your email or personal information, and be cautious of phishing emails and only interact with the official Trust Wallet app.